town, and he could have picked the wrong town.
His big mistake, I think, was getting born.
Hello? Get 3 coffins ready.
Huh?
Adios, amigo. Get your mule. You let him get away from you?
I don't think it's nice, you laughing. You see, my mule don't like people laughing. It's the crazy idea you're laughing at him. Now, if you apologize like I know you're going to, I might convince him that you really didn't mean it.